Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can render a video in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on a screen in Davinci Resolve. I have opened up a project, and I have inserted some footage that I will be rendering or showing you guys how to render. It is just a tutorial video that I've done in the past, and I won't be editing it anymore. I didn't edit it at all even. I'll just be showing you guys how you can easily just export this and how you can render it. Now, to export and render this, you want to go into the Deliver tab, which is the bottom rightmost tab, and here you can start actually preparing your video to export and to actually render. Firstly, you want to go into video and make sure export video is checked off. Then you want to select the format that you want. I'll just select the MP4. Then you want to select the codec. I'll select 265. You have a encoder which you can select. If you have NVIDIA, that is the best that I have found so far. Else, just use your native encoder. It really doesn't matter. Here you can also set up your resolution and your frame rate of your video. I'll just keep it at 1080p, 60 FPS. Then you can select the quality. I'll restrict it to, and for 1080p, I'm pretty sure that the best bitrate is 45,000, and you can set it to more if you want. However, that will take a longer time. You have an encoding profile. I just have main, so I'll just select that. You have keyframes, which I'll set to automatic, and that is pretty much what you should do there. You can also set the title of your video. Let's just say title, and select the location of your video that you want. I'll just browse and select the desktop, for example. Just click save, and after you've done that, you can go into audio. You can also select the codec. I only have AAC, and usually that is what you should have too. Make sure export audio is checked off. If you want audio, you have the track data rate. You have output tracks. I'll just select bus 1 and keep the track data rate at 320, and that should be it. The file, also you can set up file instructions or file options here, and once you're done with that, all you have to do is click add to render queue, and once it's added here, you just click render all, and your file should render, and it should appear in the location that you've specified. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.